What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We are back with another video. I need to get the daily vlogs going again, guys. I keep missing days here and there, which is fine. You know, in the past, I used to post like once a week. But after like the vlogmas and stuff, it got me so used to posting every day. So now that when I miss a day, I feel like I'm slacking on YouTube. I know I'm not slacking, but I definitely need to vlog more. I need to talk more. I feel like I've been lacking on that too. Talking more to you guys, being more engaging and stuff like that. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I've been very stressed out over the content lately. I've been kind of bummed that there hasn't been that much lit content. Everything's been kind of just repetitive and stuff like that. Same car meets, same people, same BMWs, every single vlog. And it's very hard to come up with cool content every day, guys. It's super hard. That's also why I kind of want to get another car soon so I can make more content. Even though the E46 should bring us a lot more content too, but long story short, I get in these moods where I get really stressed out, where I feel like none of the content is good enough. I don't know what to film. I feel like my channel's dying. I feel like my motivation's dying, everything. I always get in these moods, bro. I hate it. But then there's other times where I feel like I'm on top of the world, guys. I feel like the content's so lit. There's so much content to film. Every single day I'm posting. I'm high energy. I'm happy. But right now it's just one of those times, guys. One of those dead times in the vlogs when there's not that much content to film. We're gonna make the best out of it. I don't know what we're gonna do today. That's the thing. Every day's kind of just been winging it, guys. Whatever happens, happens. I know that's the point of daily vlogs, though. You guys just want to see my day, so I definitely want to incorporate more lifestyle stuff. Bro, it's crazy that I'm like 6-7 years into YouTube, and I'm still trying to figure out what way or what direction to go with the channel. Like, every day I'm just learning, you know what I mean? Biggest thing, I just want to make good content for you guys. Anyways, nice little event this morning. My favorite car. I don't have many plans today, but we're heading to Kevin's house. We're gonna pick him up once again. I feel like we're hanging out with Kevin every single day, but you guys remembered in the last video I hand delivered a few packages back in my area, but now we're in LA and these two are very local to us, probably like 20-30 minute drive. So I'm gonna pick up Kevin right now and we're gonna go hand deliver these two packages. I believe it's Joseph and Joseph. Two Josephs, bro. Hopefully both Josephs are home today. If you guys also saw the last video, one of the guys wasn't home, so unfortunately I missed him when I delivered his merch. Probably go through a little car wash too, because I think the rain's done. It rained a lot this weekend, so my car's hella dirty and like spotty. Oh, another update, guys. We got approved for the apartment. I haven't even showed you what apartment that I'm talking about, but you guys saw like about a month or two ago, we went apartment hunting. We checked out like 5 or 6 apartments. We actually didn't pick any of those that we looked at in the vlog. So this is a brand new apartment building, brand new apartment, everything. And I'm excited to show you guys. We applied for it like the past couple days, and this morning they just said that we're approved. So we pretty much got the apartment, I think. It's a lot of money. That's what does suck. Oh my God. I looked to my right and look what's over here. Freaking police station, bro. Look at all the cops. Oh, hell nah. State rep for sure. Yeah, I'm closing my valves. But yeah, we should be moving into the new apartment within like 2 weeks, bro. It's moving very, very fast. I'm excited. I'm excited for this journey, guys. It's scary. It's scary, scary, scary moving out for the first time. It's my first time moving out. I know I get all the comments like, yo, why you still live at home and all this stuff like that. A lot of people hating and stuff like that. But for those people that are talking, probably got kicked out or something like that. My parents don't want me to leave. Like, they'll let me stay there forever. But I know, and I want growth in myself, that I want to move out, you know? I want more for myself. I want to take that next step in life. And I feel like I'm ready, you know? I'm financially ready, and I want more growth, you know what I mean? I'm moving out to LA now, so you guys seen from like when I first started YouTube, I used to commute an hour all the way to LA to make these vlogs for you guys all the time, and all my friends live in LA, so finally we are making the move to LA, and we're gonna live in LA, we're gonna make more content in LA, and I'm excited, guys. Hopefully it leads us to more opening doors and stuff like that, all kinds of good stuff. But like I said, it is scary because it's my first time moving out. And also, there's nothing wrong about living at home, guys. And like I said, my parents don't want me to leave. Like, honestly, they're sad that I'm leaving because I'm like the last child to leave the house. But if I can say one thing, if you're able to stay home, guys, and your parents don't mind and they're there to help you, because dude, my parents have helped me so much letting me stay at home still, you know what I mean? Tremendously, bro, letting me stay at home. Don't be embarrassed to stay at home, guys. Like, stay at home as long as you could. Stack your money, save your money. If your parents are allowing you to do it, stay there and save your money, guys. And then eventually when you get that financial freedom and you're able to do it, then you can move out, you know? anyways, I'm excited. I'm excited for this next chapter. I'm excited to vlog it for you guys too. I'll show the apartment tour. I'll show like the finished apartment tour, because right now it's gonna be all empty. It doesn't look that good, but once we move in and we make it like a home, then that'll be cool. I'll show my desk setup, because I want to make a cool desk for when I edit videos and stuff like that. Furniture shopping, all that good stuff. Maybe you guys might want to see that. So comment down below. Let me know if you guys do want to see more of the apartment hunting and like, I mean, we already got the apartment, but the apartment shopping and stuff like that. And also, I'm gonna be living like 5 minutes from Kevin, bro. So you guys know Kevin's all happy for that. We literally can walk to each other's houses, bro. So that's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna be very close to each other. Enough talking. Don't want to bore you guys. Let's pull up to Kevin's house. We're like 5 minutes away. Pick him up, go deliver these packages, and see what else we get into. Let's go. All right, guys. Look who we picked up. Mr. Kevin, Mr. Rich himself. You gonna give these kids money?
Yeah.
Let me deliver them.
$100 each.
Rich! We're about to hand deliver the merch, guys. We're pulling up right now. We're like 1 minute away from the first person. First Joseph. They're both Joseph. So hopefully he's home. I hope. I'm gonna be bummed if he's not home, because we only have 2 in LA right now. I still have some packages at home. I might try to find some more LA ones and do this again. But also, yeah, let me mention that real quick before we get to the house. For the people that haven't got their merch, I promise it's coming, guys. I'm gonna ship it out either tomorrow's Monday, or Tuesday. I'm trying to ship it out right away, so no later than this week. All the orders will be out. I'm gonna knock on him and be like, it's the police. Open up. What are you gonna say?
Bro, they're gonna trip out.
All right, Joseph, you better be home.
Bro.
Hi.
No? Oh,
what is it?
okay.
He's about like a hoodie or something. Okay, thank you. It sucks when they're not home, because bro, he's gonna watch the video tomorrow and he's gonna be like, no way, I miss Nick. And
this is the second person that's
and
not...
Kevin. Bro, he's gonna be so sad.
No.
It looks like that would be his car though. Is it E46?
Yeah. All right. Well,
sucks.
On to the next one.
On to the next Joseph. Hopefully he's there. Hopefully we get one good reaction today, bro. It's gonna be a fail. All right, G, we made it. You know where we are?
Yes.
Where are we?
I thought you were gonna get food. We went through the drive-thru.
You got all happy? Kevin's all hungry? Bro, look where we are. The Touchless Car Wash.
Is your car gonna make it?
Yeah, we'll make it. I came here last time. This is the one that scared the hell out of me last time, if you guys remember. I think it sprays your wheels. Kevin's outside filming, so we got some footage of the outside this time too. The car is really dirty, bro, so let's see how clean this actually makes it. Bro, I love these car washes, bro. I go through them all the time because it's just so easy. It's crazy because for me, bro, it goes for everything. Every time I see something like this, I always think like how good of an investment that will be, bro. Like to buy one of these machines and buy our own place and do it. Bro, imagine a FindingNick car wash. How much freaking, obviously money, but like how cool that would be for a new business venture. I don't know. I always think of business stuff, bro. Everywhere I go, I'm like, damn, how did he start that business? Or what did he do? How is he doing this, bro? Or that's a good idea. I could be doing that too. And this is a really good idea. I really want to invest in one of these freaking machines. I already looked it up. It's like the price of a GTR. But it would be an investment. Imagine we do a FindingNick car wash. It'd be sick. How's it look, G?
It looks sick.
It looks pretty clean, huh? It's not bad. Oh, it just needs to dry the back.
Yeah, you should have waited for it.
I know. You see how it has like 70 seconds to dry your car. That's why I was going slow.
Your underglow.
Oh, the underglow would have been sick, bro.
Look at the lights, how they were.
I'm gonna go do it again.
How
I
they were
swear.
glistening. It would have been so sick.
Bro, should I go do it again? I swear I'll do it again for Instagram, bro.
I was like, wow.
Damn, it looks sick. You guys won't believe what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to go through it again, guys, for a second time. Anything for the Instagram reel. It's because Kevin reminded me to put the underglow on. I don't know why I didn't put the underglow on. It would look so cool in there. You guys better go like this reel right now, guys. Go to Instagram. I'll put the reel right here. Go like and comment, guys, because we went through this shit twice. Only you guys are going to know I went through this shit twice. I want to see everyone comment if you guys came from the vlog. No way I'm washing my car 2 times, bro. I'm fried for this. I'm paying double. Way better, G?
Way better.
We fucked up, though, guys. It didn't dry it. Oh, my God. We just did 2 car washes and it's still not even clean. I pretty much did it for the content. It looks sick. Sheesh. Alright, you guys better go like this. And Kevin ran through the back. I was dying, bro. I'm like, you're gonna get soaked.
It looks sick, though.
Alright, well, that was cool. Shout out to Kevin for helping me film that and getting wet. He was literally in the car wash with me, bro. And the car didn't even get dry. So we went to 2 car washes, picked for 2 car washes, and didn't even get washed, to be honest. didn't get dried. All right, let's go deliver this one more package to the other Joseph. We got like a 20-minute drive, and then we gotta take Kevin home. Why?
Just take me back.
You got a date tonight, G.
I do?
So we gotta hurry up. Let's go.
Well, you want to let them know you're here?
Yeah, maybe we come in loud. They'll know. If they know my videos, they'll maybe share my car. They're gonna come out and shoot at us. Wait, someone's coming out.
Oh! I got you.
Hey, Joseph?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Bro, you damn.
What the?
I was trying to rev and see if you would hear.
Yeah, I heard it. What up,
You got
bro?
picked, bro.
Appreciate you.
What's up?
What's up, man?
You thank you your merch?
What's up, Kevin?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Adam,
good.
you Kevin with me?
How are you?
Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure.
How are you, bro?
Doing good, bro. I actually just posted that I got a BMW.
Oh, really?
I got
Okay.
one in November, M340.
Oh,
shit,
sick.
that's hard.
Congrats.
Bro,
That's
that's
dope.
crazy. What the hell?
I was like, I'm gonna pull up and rev it a little bit. See if he
Yeah.
hears me, bro.
Nah, because I heard it right now. I'm like, what car is that? My sister's like, BMW or Mercedes? I'm like, probably BMW.
How's it going?
Yeah, that's my dad over there. Bro, what? That's sick.
I know. I try to pick a few people that I can find like locally.
Yeah.
And yours popped up.
Appreciate you guys, bro. Hell yeah. Thank you,
Alright, bro.
man.
Thank you for coming to the merch.
Yeah, of
Thank
course,
you.
bro. I love it. You feel me? I was gonna get a F80, but they sold it right when I was about to buy it.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
they're
I'm
sick.
gonna have-
My car's good.
I had a Lexus before, but now I got the
I think 40's faster.
Yeah.
Yeah,
bro.
they are.
that baby.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I mean, I didn't shift right, so I don't know. Because I had raced F80, but
Oh, really?
yeah, I lost that one. Actually, I haven't seen it in person.
It's hard on.
Bro, yeah, that shit's sick.
Yeah, thankfully you were home, bro. We tried to deliver another one. His name was Joseph.
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
But he wasn't home. I was like, fuck, dude. But
Bro, thankfully I was home because I went in the mornings on the cruise with the homie. He has a Supra. So
that's tight.
I went on a little cruise.
Understood.
Bro,
Well, thank you, bro. I appreciate
yeah,
it.
of course. Thank you for like coming and doing it,
Of
bro.
course,
I'm
dude.
fucking shocked.
I know it's tight, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, people probably trip out like, what the heck? This dude's from my house.
Yeah, because I saw that out the window. I'm like, bro, that like I seen the car. I'm like, nah.
That's tight. It's sick. Look, he just picked up a BMW.
Yes,
So you're
sir.
part of the Beamer squad.
Yeah, we got it.
M340? Sheesh. My boy's gonna be gapping everyone on the street.
Just got an intake on it. That's all.
Oh, that's tight. Bro, you tune them? Downpipe tune?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
What the? That shit opens like that?
Yeah. I
No
thought
way. Bro, that is sick. Bro, he opens the door with his phone.
Oh, really?
That was crazy.
I got more technology than that.
CTS intake.
Oh, that shit hard.
Yeah.
It's hella clean.
That's it. Next, downpipe.
Downpipe and tune? It'll be perfect.
Yeah, bro.
That shit gonna be fast. That is sick though. I love to see everyone cop a new car, bro. He literally just picked it up. It's so sick. A shout out to everyone who copped the merch, guys. I literally wish I could do this for everyone and hand deliver everybody's merch. I'm gonna try to do more. I still like have a few more packages I need to ship out, and I'm gonna pick a few more to hand deliver. So you guys might get lucky, or go to the website right now, shopfindingnick.com, cop a plate frame. That's pretty much all I have left, but maybe I'll pick some of those too to hand deliver, because I think this is really cool. I love seeing people's builds and seeing other people that support the channel, support the merch drops, and it literally is the least I can do, bro, is hand deliver some of the merch. Because you guys literally, you don't understand. It literally means so much to me when you cop the merch. It's the least I can do. And it's dope that a lot of the people that subscribe to the channel have BMWs as well. So it's cool to see him in a BMW. That is nice. I like it. All right, we out. Feel like a Amazon delivery driver right now. But it's so dope that you can lock it with your phone.
It could.
I know. What the?
It could like start the car too.
What the?
You wanna check it out?
That's
that's
fire.
wild.
That's crazy. It literally works as a key, huh?
Yeah, I don't got my key on me.
The phone's the key, bro.
The technology.
Now the interior is fire too. It's literally like a G80, huh?
Yeah, bro. Just
Yeah, that's
this.
sick.
A little different, but
Yeah.
yeah, bro.
Bro, I think it's the best car for the money, I think.
Yeah, it is.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 20.